Hi and welcome. Today we're going to make this adorable snowman centerpiece. It's freestanding. I have a base in between. And I cut the basic paper out of 65-pound paper, which cuts beautifully. And the centerpiece that makes it stand up. And the sign I cut out of 120 paper, so it's a little more stable. Just stay with me and let's make it together. So today I've cut out all of the pieces for my snowman centerpiece. And I've cut out all of the basic pieces from 65-pound cardstock. And then I cut my centerpiece that's going to help it stand up out of 120 weight paper. So this will be the back. Let's put together the front. Here's my undercolor. And I'm going to use this permanent tape. I love this tape. You could use glue sticks. I am going to pop dot some areas of the snowman, but not this big part of the body. And let's put this down. Like so. You'll notice that the black doesn't come all the way through, but that's okay as long as you line it up with the mittens. Everything should work out fine. We're gonna put our scarf down first, and then just to show you, when I put this mitten down, I am going to pop dot the sign in. It says welcome. And then this is the thumb that'll go over it. So this part goes under the sign, and this thumb goes over like he's holding it. So this goes like that. But even, of course. I also, just for fun, printed out a couple of extra noses because I think maybe I want to pop dot that as well. So let's get the scarf down first. So this is my base. And then my red goes over. And, you know, full on so that you know exactly where it goes. And then this is the bottom of the red scarf. Let's see. This way. There we go. Oh. I think it goes that way. I'm gonna make it go that way. Then this is my shadow, and you see that I have a little notch here that goes right into that edge. Oh, and this is backwards. Oops. There we go. Sometimes you have to put the shadow on first. There we go. And then this little curve will go at the bottom of this scarf, so that the scarf has a little green band. And because this is a little skinnier at the top, I'm going to use my zig pen. And then put this tape on. And remember the little notch, right? And it just fits right in there. I think I'm just going to use the zig pen here, a little easier. let's put his hat band on. And the same thing, so you can see that the holly goes in, and then this point actually starts the bottom of the rim. Right there. And the green holly. That's not correct because it goes this way. Look at me, I have glue on this side. Whoops. I say there's no mistakes in art and everything is easy to fix. So I'm just gonna pull this glue off and put the glue on the other side. Normally I check the layout before I actually glue, so. I could just make the glue, it'll dry eventually, but it'll look like the little hollies. All right, let's see how that's how the berries go in. I'm just gonna put the glue right here. There we go. And now for the package, he's gonna be holding it like this. Oh, there it goes down. So I think if I do the package, if I put that together flat and then pop dot it, and then pop dot his other mitten on, I think that would be really cute. So let's put this on. I always have a second one handy. And this goes down first, right? Fits nice. And my over green, right? So that gives me a little bit of the shape of the shadow of the bow. Let's use the zig pen for this. And I'm going to use the tape runner. And let's put the sign together while we're here. I paper tore a little bit in the back because I didn't cut it as deep as I needed. I also did this white sign out of the same heavy stock as this, so the blade is actually much deeper. At least it should be. So let's use the zig pen in the small areas of the letter. I really love having the snowman as part of my centerpiece. I have a beautiful mirror in my dining room that I am going to put this on. A little holly around it. So that's his sign and his mitten. So we're gonna put this mitten on first. So it goes down solid. I just have to take this off. Ooh, it's a little toasty. So this is gonna go here. And this is gonna sit right below it. I think just like that. So let's pop dot the sign. It's really only going on the top of the mitten. Pop dot this. Let's see. So I'm going to put this one in position first. Because I don't want this to come up over the sign. Okay, so I'm gonna pop dot the package. I think it's here and here, right? That's about the arm length. Let's put the mitten on first. I'm actually gonna use 3 dots. Just on the edge. And then I'm going to pop dot this so it's really along this edge here. If I need one more when I put the back piece on, I'll know that in a minute. This here. So cute. All right, so the first nose, whoops, I'm going to put down with the zig pen. And then let's actually do it, and then I'll see if I like it. I can always pull it off if I don't like it. 2 dots on his nose. Let's see. I think it'd be very cute as a raised. Oh yeah. So cute. So this is gonna go flat to flat, right? Here's my shape. Oh, and look, my package is down a little bit, but I think that's fine. Because once this is in, so this is gonna go onto the back. So I'm gonna glue this down. As close to the score line as I can. Let's just rip that up. And I'm also, while I'm here in this flat state, I'm really gonna put the tape here. This is actually folded for the front piece to come forward. and for the snowman to stand up. So let's score this again. I'm gonna put this right in the middle. Well, actually I'm gonna come fairly close to this edge. And press this down nicely. And then I'm gonna curve this in, because this bottom is gonna line up right here. Finger press that in. I'm gonna press down on this side. And there you have your standing snowman. And I'll make sure to show a preview where I'm gonna put it by my mirror. And I'm only gonna use the 2 noses. I'm not using the extra nose. All right, thanks for watching. I hope you like and subscribe so you never miss a tutorial. And I will put some links in the bottom so you'll know where to find the rest of my SVGs.